So here's how you can add Amazon affiliate to WordPress blog post. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the first thing you're going to do is open up any browser in your system, head on to the search box and write Amazon affiliate program, and now we will click on the first link. If you have created an account, then sign in, otherwise create an account. After that, we will go to the Amazon store. Then we will search for any product. At the same time, we will also open the WordPress page. After that, we will go to the left side here and go to the option of Pages and click on the option of Add New. Then we will go to the Amazon store page. After that, we upper left side will copy the text link of that product. Now we will go to the WordPress page, write the title, write the name of the product, select the name, and click on the link option. They will paste this link there. Now go back to the Amazon store page and copy the image link of the same product. Then come to the WordPress page and click on the Add option, and we will search HTML option. Then we will paste the link to this image and preview it. And you can write whatever blog you want. After that, we will click on the Publish option on the right side and then click on the View Page option. Similarly, you can add Amazon affiliate to your WordPress blog post.